Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Oz'mosis. Oz'mosis. I want to give a shout out to my man Sly Uno. You know what I mean? Warzone, JuBoi Clothing. You know, everybody doing it big. Scent Mic Production. Everybody's working hard and trying to basically do great things in this Haitian community. I just want to introduce my man, JuBoi. JuBoi.
Yo, it's your boy JuBoi, man. Representing JuBoi Clothing, just uniquely best of it. You already know what's going on, man. We got a lot of project going on out there. Shout out to my dog, Oz'mosis, business partner, Warzone, Ben Chumi, Sly Uno. You already know, man. We in here.
So basically, I met JuBoi not too long ago through Ben Chumi and stuff like that. And then when I met him, you know, I saw like he was rocking his own line. You know, he was rocking his own clothing. Just like you see right now, I never see this man without rocking his own clothing. So basically, I looked into the opportunity to partner with him to see, okay, how I can help this thing to get to the next level and how I can contribute to the whole movement, you know. So this whole thing came about, and he offered me a partnership, and I basically asked for it because I saw the opportunity to be part of something that was great, that was big, and he was like, bro, you in, because he saw I was basically like the missing piece to the puzzle. So he was like, man, you're gonna be a great help, he saw what I could do for the clothing.
I see the drive, you know what I mean? Not to cut you off, but I see the drive and everything, right? And this man, he motivates me in the same way I feel like I motivate myself. But it feels good to have people like guys on my side, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so basically, I was part of JuBoi Clothing. So JuBoi Clothing basically is a clothing line, and also we have the JuBoi Clothing line. I mean, his painting is his design, his graphics are so unique. Just like JuBoi is just basically just uniquely best of it. Just uniquely best of it. So his whole graphic was, design was very unique, and that's why I was so attracted to it. So, and I offered, I wanted to be in, and he let me in. So basically, just want to say, it's very important to have dreams. A lot of times people don't understand, like, you have to dream, and you have to have the courage to dream, and have the audacity to dream something that is bigger than you. And then if you put your mind to it, and you could do whatever you want to do. And so we wanted to do something that is that has universal standard, where I would be very, very proud, very happy to rock JuBoi Clothing, and that we want everybody that's gonna be rocking this, you wanna have the same sense of happiness when you wear our clothing, because we wanna give you something we would rock ourselves. So I'm big on fashion myself, so I can't rock anything that's not speak for who I am. So basically, we're gonna show you a little bit of some of the designs about things that will be coming. We're gonna have lines that's gonna be strictly t-shirts, a lot of very creative t-shirts.
I don't want to show you guys too much, not to cut my boy off, but I want to show you. See, you can't have too much. At the same time, we got graphics coming. We do have different brands coming under the same JuBoi as an umbrella. We got Oz'mosis line coming. We got the Warzone production line coming. Look out for that too, On that same note, graphic is not where we sticking. See what I'm saying? Because we do have polos. We have button-up shirts. Look out for ties, as you can see, coming out. But not just to tease you guys.
And it's not just for men. We have things for women.
That's for women.
This is for women.
Like stuff like that coming out, you know.
This is the women line. And this right here, you could decide to put this on a t-shirt. It's a white t-shirt, and it still be sexy. And
we can put a graphic.
Or you could this everything over here can be JuBoi.
That's bathing suits.
Bathing suit, JuBoi, bathing suit,
underwear,
stuff like that.
Lingerie.
Just the women. Maybe you want to get into. This is more about symbols, right? This is about symbols. Symbols are very big. This right. Look at the symbols. We have symbols. We have and then also we're gonna be doing is look. This is button down shirts, stuff like that. So I mean, maybe we have. You want to show them the.
That's some of the projects.
Show them the hoodie over there. That's a hoodie. The t-shirts. This is the Warzone t-shirt.
Warzone. What you know about that?
Okay. Warzone t-shirt. And these shirts over here promote
Warzone.
raising awareness for cancer, right? Cancer awareness shirt.
Yeah. We help support the Tatas over here.
Yeah.
Help support the twins. See what I'm saying? We got a few things going on, you know.
If you want to come here for just for a little.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Warzone, Miss Jasmine Mason, because we do go out and feed the homeless, close the homeless. We gotta give that young lady a shout out.
Yeah, the community,
yeah.
community empowerment.
We're trying to change the Haitian community and every way it's
possible. We're
possible.
doing a lot of charity and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, look at this. Imagine this on a t-shirt for women. You know, just a white t-shirt. Sexy, right? You know, look at this.
I need Warzone on this one.
Yeah, you want a Warzone on this, right?
Yeah.
Warzone.
Yeah.
You gotta have some soldier boots next to it, though.
Oh, I got that. I got that.
I mean,
coming, man.
so
you know, like for the same view, Oz'mosis have to change the whole Haitian community with music. I'm a music lover. You know, I can rap if I want to, but I choose not to. I leave that for the for the professionals. But I'm a professional in what I do, so I'm JuBoi. See what I'm saying? It's like Warzone is the best of what he's do. Oz'mosis is the best of what he does.
And that's very important. I'm glad you put your finger on it because
yes, sir,
we should be doing. Everybody should be doing what he or she is very good at.
Yes, sir.
You know,
that's
so a lot of times, you know, people do things because it's popular because they see other people doing it.
Somebody else tell them it's nice or they should do it.
Or people tell them, oh, if you do this, you'll be successful. But it's important to do things that you're not only passionate about, but things that you're very good at naturally, that you have a natural talent for. So when you focus on doing things that you're very good at, and you'll be great, you'll be great at it. You'll be one of the best people doing it, and you will basically be in position to change people with whatever it is that you do. So just like I was gonna tell people, man, to stay tuned. Because we're gonna tell you exactly where you can get the clothing line. Right now, it's popping online. You could buy them online.
www.JuBoiClothingCo.com. You can hit me up.
JuBoiClothingCo.com. You know what I mean? Twitter. You can check out some
JuBoi3000.
At JuBoi3000. And then also, you know, Oz'mosis, your way to find me at Ozmo6. And then and just let you know, so we're gonna put some new music about to be out soon. We're gonna put some new videos out soon. And before I go, I just wanna give a shout out to my man Sly Uno, you know, Daniel Edouard, the Haitian sensation, you know, of Royal Legacy Records, Royal Legacy Records, and SMP, St. Mike Production.
What up, too? What up?
And, you know what I mean? You know, on some other shit right now. You know what I mean? Straight up. So right here, man, I mean, Baptan best moon.
Yo,
so
you know
if you don't want to move forward, I can't wait for anybody right now. We're gonna keep pushing, going hard.
You know what? Stop dreaming. Chase your dream.
No, I say dream, but a dream without faith is really not a dream. You gotta work on that dream. You gotta dream big. I believe in
I chase my dreams while you guys sleeping.
Yeah. That's sleep. That's what I'm saying. Dream.
You got sleeping and dreaming.
Or dream with your eyes open.
I can't sleep.
Or dream with your eyes open. You have to dream when you not when you on the bed. You gotta dream when you wide awake.